I am Nienke from the Netherlands, and on the 3rd of December my walking journey along the Polish coast will start. So I will do a Q&A this week, so comment down below all your questions. Guys, look at my business cards. All of Krakow. So they are packing everything now in the apartment. So I was drawing a little bit and now I'm walking through the city and going to sit somewhere and work on my stuff. And I looked at the weather forecast for my first week of my walking along the coast. It will be cold and probably snowing on the seaside. So let's see. Oh, it's really going to happen in 5 days. I'm wondering where the big tree will be this time. So the Christmas market is on this side this time, with the angels. Hey, look here. Where's the tree? I'm wondering if I will see the tree before I leave to the seaside, or if I will see it when I come back. 21st, 22nd. I hope I can see it before I leave. Working for hours in Galeria Casimier's on the very special present I'm giving Debs and the family. Wow, what a year I had with them in Poland. It's amazing. Now let's see how far they are with the apartment. If I can support Deborah in some way. That's our hotel now for the rest of the week. Waiting for Debs.
We'll buy some new socks.
End up with all the one socks. Oh yeah. I also am missing some socks. So if you find some socks.
I found one sock of yours and I put it inside the drawer, that cupboard where you have like all.
A grey one?
Like one grey sock.
Ah yeah, I lost one. So how do you feel?
And then when you see everything packed up, it's like almost like seeing when you moved in. It's exactly the same.
Yeah.
You come to an empty apartment and you just have like 220 boxes standing and you're like, where the fuck do I start? And now it's kind of like, well, where does it end? Like how many boxes will it count in the end tomorrow? It would be nice if it's less than 228, which is what we came with.
That would be nice.
That would be amazing. Yeah, but I don't know, you see it like empty and I don't know, it's just like a shell almost. Like there's not much feeling attached to like the walls and the curtains. You know what I mean?
It's so weird.
It's weird to see it empty because you're like, okay, you have feeling for what's inside the house, but you don't have feeling for like, I don't have feeling for like, when I see it empty, it doesn't make me feel something. But that's maybe why it's better if like when they pack, you're not here because you see all of your stuff going into boxes.
Oh, guys. So it's almost Sinterklaas. It's the same as Mikołajki in Poland. And Debs just told me that Sinterklaas also gave me some presents. So I've got thermal leggings and like a jacket that's wind proof and it's also thermal. I guess Sinterklaas knows what kind of adventure I will do this year. So grateful. Oh my goodness. They packed everything what needed to be packed. And tomorrow they will load everything in a truck. And then it will go to the new house in the Netherlands. So I guess this was it for me in this great apartment. I have such great memories here, and the good thing is that I have a lot of them in my videos for the memories. And forever in my heart, of course. So now I will go with them to the hotel for the first time. Oh, kan jullie ook nog een laatste keer kijken? This is weird, hè?
Wow, a box. There's big boxes. Why are they all... Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Mali, waar is al het spul gebleven? Waar is alles?
What? This is the... Oh, here's the treadmill!
Ja.
Film, bro. Treadmill. What?
Is dat jouw keuken? Oh, helemaal ingepakt. Kan hij niet kapot?
Okay, guys, shall I
Oh no!
Oh, dat is het
wash
niet.
this stuff really quickly, guys?
Painting my nails. And the Netherlands. He leads the way to the game room. Amalia. Ja, Amalia is very slow. Oeh, oh, er is zelfs een voetbaltafel. Dat is cool. Je wilt een voetbaltafel. Wow, kijk de grote beer, Amalia. That's amazing. That's even bigger than yours. Wow. 1, 2, opletten. Oh nee, nee, nee. Oh nee, I have to kick. Wait. There we go. Oh, hou hem tegen, Amalia, hou hem tegen. Shooting, shooting. Oké. Mine.
Finish this match.
Alright.
Because Messi has to make all of my goals.
Alright.
No, Messi.